This is just a little song that blew upon a single note. All the notes are perfect for love, but the root is still that note. Nothing in art is the consequence of the one we've just been through. As I'm born to be the unavoidable consequence of you. There's so many people who can just say nothing, underneath nothing. I have to sample the skeleton and in the end I can see nothing, underly nothing. So I come back to the first note, as I must come back to you. I will come into the first note, and the love I feel for you. Anyone who wants to hold you, re mi fa sol.